Now student, that was the lengthy video, so I am solving this question here. So here this time I am sending two videos to you. So in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, what we will say that AB is equal to PQ, and angle ABC is equal to angle PQR. It is given. It we have proved that angle ABM is equal to angle PQN. I have written it here. We can say that angle ABC is equal to angle PQR also, because these two angles are equal to each other, and BC is equal to QR. It is given. So student, what we can say that for this, by SAS congruency, we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. And these are the very lengthy questions, so these questions are taking lot of time, taking too much time. So student, this third question we have done. Now we will start question number 4. Now pause the video and note it down this question and do it in your fair notebook properly. Now students, question number 4 is, BE and CF are two equal altitudes of a triangle ABC. BE and CF are two equal altitudes. Altitudes are equal, it is given that in triangle ABC. So this one is the triangle ABC. Two equal altitudes means this will BE and its name is CF. Student, these are given that these are the two equal altitudes, means this equal to this. It is given that. And prove that using RHS congruency. Now we have to use only RHS congruency here. So we will take two triangles like this which have fulfilling the conditions of RHS congruency. Prove that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. So given that in triangle ABC, BE is perpendicular to AC and CF is perpendicular to AB. CF is perpendicular to AB, and it is given that BE is equal to CF also. Now we have to prove. Students, we have to prove that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means we have to prove that the two sides AB and AC are equal sides. So we will start with proof. How we can prove it? So students, we will prove it. We have to prove that RHS congruency. We have to use RHS congruency here, and we have to prove that ABC is an isosceles triangle. How we can prove it? If we will take this triangle this one CBF and that one CBE, what we will get? Right angle. This is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse should be common, will be common, and this side equal to this side. So we can say that in triangle we will take two triangles, CFB and triangle CFB and triangle BEC. Student, we can say that CF is equal to BE. It is given. These are equal. And CFB is equal to BEC. Angle BEC. Each 90-degree angle. And we can say that BC is equal to BC. It is common. So then in these two triangles, what we can say that? We can say that this is right angle, this is hypotenuse and side. By RHS congruency, we can say that triangle CFB is congruent to triangle BEC. It means these two triangles are congruent to each other. Now we have to prove that ABC is an isosceles triangle. ABC is an isosceles triangle means student we have to prove that AB equal to AC. Either और क्या कर सकते हैं हम यहाँ पे इनके two angles equal. So this angle should be equal to this angle. By simplicity we can say that because we have taken this angle and this triangle and this triangle, it means this equal to this. So we can say that angle ABC is equal to angle ACB, or you can say that ABC. This one means AC is equal to AB. So ABC, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, hence proved. So students, we have done this one by RHS congruency because it is given in our question that we have to prove it by RHS congruency. So we have done it, and then this angle equal to this angle, we can say that ABC is an isosceles triangle because if any triangle two opposite angles are equal, this is called isosceles triangle. If two opposite angles are equal, so we can say that two sides are also equal, so ABC is an isosceles triangle. So student, we have done this question also, question number 4. Now the last question is question number 5. Question number 5 is ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB is equal to AC. Draw AP perpendicular to BC to show that angle B is equal to angle C. It is very easy question student. You have to solve it yourself, and I am telling that how we can prove it. So in this question ABC is an isosceles triangle it is given. So make a first ABC is an isosceles triangle. एक बनाइएगा ट्रायंगल आप लोग ऐसे करके ABC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles means this equal to this. Either you can say that angle equal to angle. Draw AP perpendicular to BC. Draw AP perpendicular to BC. Perpendicular means this is 90-degree angle. So and so that angle B is equal to angle C. अब हमने क्या प्रूफ करना है? Angle B is equal to angle C. So student, how we can prove it? Similarly here we can say that this is 90-degree angle, this is hypotenuse, this is side. So by RHS congruency you can prove this question also. So student, do it yourself. This is question number 5. This is your homework, and solve these questions properly in your classwork notebook, and then after we will start the next exercise 7.4. So student, do your work properly with good handwriting. So student, thank you for watching this video. Thanks.